Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to your EVS class. In previous class, you have studied about sensory organ. Today, we will quickly revise in detail what is sensory organ and what is limbs. So, our today's topic is limbs, and we will also study about sensory organs, sense organs, and what is differently abled people. So, children, whatever line I am going to highlight, you will underline that in your book. So you will open this chapter page and you should have pencil with you to underline the important points. Limbs. So children, what is limbs? Our arms. This is our arms. This and legs together. This leg. You can see the picture of this leg. Yes, these legs together are called limbs. When we see arms and legs, जब हम arms देखते हैं and when we talk about legs, together they are called as limbs. They help us to do various day-to-day tasks. So our limbs helps us to do day-to-day tasks. So we have two limbs. We have one first arm and we have legs. हमारे arms से we can do day-to-day tasks with the help of arms and by legs. What activities we can do from arms and legs, children? Yes, from arms we can clap. Yes, from legs we can walk. So these activities we can do with the help of our limbs. Limbs helps us to do daily activities. So limbs helps us to do different movements. Yes, we can do different movements with the help of our limbs. We can write. What we can do? We can write, we can hold, throw, catch, push. This word is push. We can pull, we can push, we can pull with our hands. So with our hands, that is our arms, what we can do? We can write, we can hold, we can throw, we can catch. When we play cricket or when we play with ball, what we do? We throw. Yes, children, हम ball को throw करते हैं and we also catch. So how we do this? We do this with the help of our arms. Yes, we write with the help of our arms. Now what we can do with the help of leg? What things we can do with the help of leg? We can walk. Yes, what we can do? With the help of legs, we can walk, run, jump, stand, sit, kick by using our legs. Yes, kick. We can kick football with the help of leg. Yes, all these were not possible. ये कोई भी activity possible नहीं होती. Not possible if we don't have limbs. If we could not move it, if we could not move arms, if we could not move arms, if we could not move legs, so we cannot do these activities. So arms and legs are very important body part. Yes, they both together make limbs. Arms और leg मिलकर हमारे limbs, we call it limbs. और ये हमें बहुत हेल्प करते हैं हमारी डेली एक्टिविटीज के लिए. Now children, you have studied, you have watched a video about sense organ. Yes, and you also know that how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. Yes, how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. With which help us to see, what we can do, we can see, smell, hear, feel with the help of सेंस ऑर्गन. सेंस ऑर्गन की हेल्प से हम ये सारी एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं. यस, किसकी हेल्प से कर सकते हैं? सेंस ऑर्गन्स की वजह से, with the help of sense organ. So how many sense organ we have? We have 5 sense organ. We have 5 sense organ that helps us to connect with the world. वो क्या किस चीज में हेल्प करती है? They help us to connect. किससे? वर्ल्ड से. सो नेम है, कौन कौन से सेंस ऑर्गन है? वी हैव आईज, ईयर्स, नोज, टंग, स्किन. यस चिल्ड्रन, वन मोर थिंग, यू कैन टेस्ट. These all are possible because of sense organ. Now children, how it works? Sense organs, अब आप सोचो आईज से कैसे हम देख सकते हैं? How it works? Children, these all are connected with our brain. ये सब क्या करते हैं? ये कनेक्ट है किससे? ब्रेन से. ये मैसेज भेजते हैं. They send, these sense organs sends message to brain. Yes, then brain makes us to understand that picture. Brain फिर help करता है हमें understand करने में picture को. If we see something, तो हम कुछ देख रहे हैं, with the help of eyes, yes, तो वो हेल्प करता है हमें उस पिक्चर को समझने में. देन साउंड किससे हम सुनते हैं? ईयर्स से. वो हेल्प करता है हमें साउंड को सुनने में. स्मेल, वी स्मेल विद द हेल्प ऑफ नोज. यस, टेस्ट कैसे करते हैं? फील कैसे करते हैं? वो सब हमें कैसे हेल्प करता है? ब्रेन. ओके चिल्ड्रन. So let's quickly study about ear. Student, ये हमारा ब्रेन होता है. Here it is brain. ईयर्स मैसेज भेजता है ब्रेन को, आईज मैसेज भेजता है ब्रेन को, स्किन मैसेज भेजता है हमारे ब्रेन को, नोज मैसेज, सॉरी चिल्ड्रन, ब्रेन मैसेज भेजता है ईयर्स को, आईज मैसेज भेजता है, ब्रेन मैसेज आईज को भी भेजता है, ब्रेन नोज को भी मैसेज भेजता है, ब्रेन स्किन को भेजता है, ब्रेन टंग को भी भेजता है. तो सारे मैसेज कौन भेजता है? हु सेंड्स द मैसेज? ब्रेन सेंड्स द मैसेज. ब्रेन sends the message. Yes. So how ear works? Ear help us to hear variety of sounds. अब आसपास हमारे जो भी साउंड हो रहे हैं, how we hear it? We hear with the help of ears. Like बेटा ट्रेन की साउंड है, तो आप कैसे सुन रहे हो? ट्रेन का साउंड जो है वो हम अपने ईयर्स से सुन रहे हैं. इफ योर मदर कॉल्स यू, सो हाउ यू हियर इट? यू हियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ ईयर्स. यस, with the help of eyes you can see the world. This picture also you are seeing with the help of, how you are seeing this picture? With the help of eyes. Yes, आईज की वजह से हम डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स देख सकते हैं, शेप्स देख सकते हैं, साइज, कलर्स. अब नोज से क्या होता है? विद द हेल्प ऑफ नोज यू कैन स्मेल डिफरेंट ऑर्डर्स लाइक अरोमा ऑफ फूड. फूड की स्मेल आपको नोज से पता चलती है. गार्बेज, इफ देयर इज सम गार्बेज, इट स्टिंक्स. यस, इट स्टिंक्स. गंदी स्मेल आती है ना, बैड स्मेल आती है ना garbage से. So how you smell it? You smell it with the help of nose. With the help of skin you can feel. Yes, you can feel hot, you can feel cold, you can feel rough, you can feel smooth, pain, and so on. And remember children, skin is our largest organ of our body. Yes, in our whole body, from face to hand to your stomach your legs, everywhere you can see skin and you can feel everything with the help of skin. Beta, agar if your mother gives you hot milk, yes, you touch it with your hand and you can feel that the milk is hot. आप अपन, आपकी मम्मा ने आपको मिल्क दिया, ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क, you touch it, आपने उसे टच किया, then you can feel right that the milk is hot, आपको पता चलता है ना milk hot है. और if your mother give you a juice, तो आप उस जूस को टच करोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा that juice is cold. Yes, तो आपको कैसे फील होता है, स्किन से फील होता है. देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ टंग, what you can do, with the help of tongue you can taste food. अब आपको कैसे पता चलेगा, आप you eat food and then you say that the food is tasty, yes, you say it right. So how you know that the food is tasty? With the help of tongue. Tongue से आपको sweet, if you eat any sweet like chocolate, you eat rasgullas, you eat any sweet, you eat mithais. So how do you know that that these food are sweet? ये मीठा है, ये कैसे पता चलेगा? With the help of tongue. Sour, bitter, salty, ये everything you will know with the help of tongue, with the help of this sense organ. You will know that the food is sweet or sour or bitter or salty. Taste buds help us to do so. The tongue also help us to speak, and with the help of tongue you also speak. Thus each part of our body is equal important. Children, yes, this is the main point, that every part of our body, be it a small organ or a large organ, it is equally important. If you don't have eyes, if a person cannot see, if a person has no eyes, so how will they see the world? They cannot see, yes, वो नहीं देख सकते. फिर वो road पे, if they are walking on the road, they cannot see where is the hole, where is the where is the pole. तो वो कैसे पता चलेगा? They cannot know, yes. And if a person cannot hear, how can we hear? We hear with the help of ears. We hear with the help of ears, yes. So how can you know? Ears से आपको sound पता चलता है. Okay, तो horn की आवाज है. If a person cannot hear and one person is continuously हॉर्निंग, वो हॉर्न बजा रहे हैं, तो उस पर्सन को कैसे पता चलेगा? सो एवरी पार्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. अगर ईयर, इफ अ पर्सन कैन नॉट हियर अ साउंड, तो उसको हॉर्न की आवाज भी नहीं सुनाई देगी, तो फिर उसको पता नहीं चलेगा. एंड दे माइट मीट विद द एक्सीडेंट, और फिर क्या हो सकता है? एक्सीडेंट भी हो सकता है. तो so children, every body part, each body part is equally important. We must take care of each body part by cleaning it, by writing right food and exercise. Or children, we all should take care of that body part. Okay, then students, now we will study what is differently abled people. Children, few people cannot hear, cannot speak, cannot walk, or cannot do activities which we can do. Yes, so that person, we can say, we can call them differently abled people. So some people do not have some abilities which we have. अब उसको उनको कैसे, हाउ विल वी आइडेंटिफाई देम, हम उन्हें कैसे पहचानेंगे? दे दे मे नॉट बी एबल टू हियर, वो सुन नहीं सकते. दे मे नॉट बी एबल टू स्पीक, बोल भी नहीं सकते. दे मे नॉट बी एबल टू वॉक, वो वॉक भी नहीं कर सकते. ओके, दे मे नॉट बी एबल टू सी, वो देख भी नहीं सकते. तो वो कौन, what we will call to those people? We will call them differently abled people. फिर उन्हें हम क्या बोलेंगे? Differently abled people. They are called, उन्हें special people भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, we can call them special people. So children, in today's class, what we have studied about differently abled people. We have talked about sense organs. We have talked about our limbs. So we have, how many limbs we have? We have 2 limbs, arms, and we have legs. With the help of arms and legs, what we do? We do day-to-day activities. Yes, we do day-to-day tasks. If we don't have limbs, if we don't have arm, any of the limb, if it is missing, कोई भी एक limb, arm नहीं है, suppose we don't have hand, if we don't have leg, तो हम activity नहीं कर सकते. जैसे hand से what we do, we write. अगर किसी person का hand नहीं है, so they will not be able to write. Yes, they will not be able to write, they will not be able to hold, throw भी नहीं कर सकते, catch भी नहीं कर सकते. Yes, अगर leg नहीं है तो they will not be able to run, walk, jump, stand, kick. So every part of our body is very important, children. Thank you, class.